We all know we should take care of our roofs, but do you know all the benefits of timely roof repairs in Glassboro, New Jersey? When you have your repairs addressed promptly, you can greatly extend the lifespan of your roof. By preventing small problems from escalating into much larger ones, you'll delay the need for a roof replacement. Along those same lines, timely roof repairs will save you a lot of money over time, as minor problems cost a lot less to fix than major ones. Water damage can be a major problem related to roofing woes that aren't quickly addressed. Your walls, ceiling, and even expensive electronics are at risk. However, if you get timely roof repairs, none of this will be an issue. Your Gloucester County home's roof is a significant barrier to energy loss and gain when in peak condition. This means you won't lose heat in winter or gain it in the summer. Staying on top of your roof repairs will ensure your roof maintains its energy efficiency. For all your concerns about the benefits of timely roof repairs in Glassboro, New Jersey, reach out to experts at Ameritech Services. Call us today at 856-418-1029 to schedule your consultation.